see the other one right up there.
There's a card reader that doesn't do anything. These were originally Haughton, modernized by Schindler with Cloister Whitney motors. Our bottom drive. See if you can see the other one moving.
Up there you can just see the deflector shivs. It's a bit hard to see. You can just barely see there's a door operator.
Motor's down in the basement. Go to 5 if you see why. Alright, check the shit out. But wait, there's more. Let's see the other one. If it ever fucking moves. Here it comes. Check that out.
Look at that. You can see people getting off. It's pretty cool.
Alright. I don't know how this thing hasn't gone into nudge mode yet, but whatever. Oh, we're stopping. Going down?
Yes, I'm sorry, you scared me.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Are you going up?
You're saying?
Enjoying the
5.
ride.
Oh no, my husband's coming.
Oh, alright.
That's alright if he doesn't.
Come in there.
Where are they? They're in a different building.
There's like 80 buildings here. It's confusing.
Yeah, they're,
What are you
videoing?
Elevators. Everyone's
How old
got
are you?
16 or 17.
I wonder if you were my oldest.
I'm just interested in elevators.
He's like Jack. He's like, oh.
You're just like my son.
Well, they were nice. Guess I'm just like Jack, whoever that is. Are you guys coming down?
We are, thanks.
What for? Lobby?
Lobby, please.
All right.
So we got a return day tomorrow. That's always interesting.
I wonder what time you have to show up, because it just says arrivals. But it looked like it was like 2 o'clock. But that can't be.
2 o'clock would be great.
So how do I find out?
You have to call it.
You're gonna have to call in here.
Text it. You gotta go.
Salon's like, no. Thank you.
No problem. Interesting how the access key switch is in the doorway. And, so you can see the other cars right there.